Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna take the Maverick out for a little run, see what we can do with it. I believe this has a 30 tooth pinion. I can't remember. It's been a little while since I ran it, but I did get like 89, I think, with it. So we are gonna try to run it again. And see what we can get, just to have a little fun out here, since, you know, I try to kill the battery a little bit. So I do a speed run with the Python, and then I do a couple speed runs with this one just to mess around, see what we can get. So I got the 6S in there already. We do have the SpeedTek RC speed spool in this one also. Get my gears in, everything from SpeedTek RC with gears and spools. You can use my discount code on their website, speedtekrc.com, and use Kurtz RCs. I'll leave a link below. You can use that code to get 10% off. So let's see, start, it's tracking, it's reading. Let's see what we can do here, guys. I don't know, I think I'm getting interference from the airport today, because down there I was doing the Python and I had no reception. And I haven't ran this since I crashed it last, and I kind of fixed it, and it's pulling to the right hard there. So we're just going to do a quick little test run here, a half pull or 3/4 pull or whatever it'll let us do, and see what it'll let us do. All right, so let's giddy up. This one just so out of control in the beginning. That one was just kind of like a test around there. Let's come back. What are the odds of that? That is so typical me, right? You believe that thing's high centered? What are the odds? Ah, guys, yeah, good old curbsy. Yeah, I think when I crashed this thing, it oh, there it goes. Ah. Oh, there it goes. Warm the tires up a little bit, maybe. Seems like it is going to the right a little bit. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm gonna turn the gyro up a little bit. Let's just see. I don't want to wreck the car, but Let's go for it. Man, I can't get it to go straight. It just wants to burn out. I think I need to work on the diffs. I think I need to do some tuning on this thing. It's been a while since I took the diffs apart. All right, let's see. Stop. Read. Can you believe that? I got it. It was flying right here, guys. So I can believe that. 98 miles an hour. Yeah. I mean, I thought it was going fast, but whoo-hoo. Dang. Let's see if we can do that one more time real quick. I'm gonna zero this out too. Start, stop, read. Okay. I didn't zero it out from before, so it's tracking. But I mean, I wasn't going fast the last time. It wasn't like I wrecked hard, so. Yeah, it was flying past me, guys. I didn't think it was going that fast, but it was going pretty fast, faster than last time. Okay, let's see. I'll tell you what, the body on this thing is just, it protects this car a lot. It got air. Got on a little too hard. Stop. Read. 84. And it wasn't going as fast either, so let's track and read. I'm gonna go one more time. This SpeedTek motor. I got the 6S SpeedTek system in it, you know, ESC and motor. So these are pretty tough. The ESC is kind of crappy, but the motors are pretty good, I think. This is a 2050 can. So let's see what we can do here, guys. See if we can get going a little faster again. Alright, that's it. She's still a champ, guys. All right, we got her back to the car. We were up in the 125s. It was way hotter than that. Just cool off a little bit. Yeah, there we go. 154, 113 or so for the ESC. The battery's up there about 120 or something like that. Everything's a little warm, so we're done for the day. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna count that 98. I think that was a little too much. Something there went wonkers. So, I mean, it was a perfect pass though. So technically it could be, but I couldn't get it to go that fast again because the battery's, you know, worn down a little bit and everything. So I do need to pick up another 6S battery. One of these days I will. I don't like using two. Unless I can put one on each side. I don't know, we'll try. We'll see if we can fit my other 6S batteries and 3S batteries in here though. Just next time I come out. I know in the truck we can because it's tall enough, but in the Python it's a little hard. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.